Welcome to day number 22. Today we took one trade. Market started getting really volatile. There was FOMC meeting minutes at 7, and then there was orange news at 3:30, which I failed to account. Once I entered this trade, I actually checked the news before, but the red folder news caught my attention, and I completely missed the orange folder one. So New York opens. I was bullish on the 12-hour at the time, which was down here. Um, well, I actually was neutral on the 12-hour. The 4-hour, I was bullish up until this target right here, this 4-hour here. So price was just in this area once I entered. So I saw this impulse candle, and then we still had a little bit to go to close the candle and to reach here. So I just assumed that 4-hour um, would be going here. Then you got the 1-hour, which we went down here, these lows, and we were respecting this fair value gap. And once I see this push back up, aligned with the 4-hour, I was bullish up until that target only. So fast forward, I checked the 5-minute, and the 5-minute, I was planning around this area, but I decided to wait for a close above this area right here. And then I went on the 1-minute, which was here. And I was actually a little bit late on the entries because I've noticed the setup. So we got this order block that we reacted from. We got this nice break of structure on the 1-minute right here that the 1-hour fair value gap produced. So I was bullish. But then my entry was supposed to be somewhere around here, but as price was opening and then went down first, I decided to just put the entry here, try and get a little snipe, because otherwise it wouldn't just give me a good risk to reward. So I put it here on this, I would say, last order block, and I got filled right away. The stop was a bit tight, and I wanted to target these highs. So next candle comes, and it's pretty volatile. Keeping in mind that if I go to the 15-minute, you can see that we were respecting this order block. But because I failed to account the orange folder news, and as soon as I see this down candle right here, I was expecting, okay, this is unusual volatility because this happened so fast. Did I miss something on the news? Then I went to Forex Factory, and only then I noticed the orange folder news. So I decided to exit the trade around here just because of the news, and I don't think I can show the executions on the bar replay. But anyways, decided to exit down there. Then you can see that price ranges around, and then we ended up going to my target. But overall, I mean, yeah, could I've hold it? Yes, I could have. But then again, if it went to my stop loss, I knew that I would be breaking the rules of the news trading. So I would have been really mad. So I got out on time. It was $40 profit. That's barely any profit. So I'm just going to count it as like a break even day. So yeah, the 4-hour was touched. Then we reacted for a little bit. Then I was waiting for 230 to come up. So if we fast forward a little bit, you can see that we get this crazy movement here. I was waiting for 3:30 to come. Then it come. We got the news again. Pretty choppy environment. I said I was out from here. Then I had this target up here, which I said, okay, after news, I want to see us going to this target. So we ended up just having this massive candle, no opportunities to enter, according to my strategy. So I said, okay, I'll wait for a retrace, then I'll go back in. We get the down close candle on the 1 minute. Then we get a few more, and then we just pump right it. This was just too big of a fair value gap for me to long. So I just waited again for more opportunities. Then we tapped the level. Is this too... I think we barely missed it. Or is it like, what's the high on this? Yeah, we tapped the level to the tick. That's funny. We tapped the level to the tick, and then we have a massive drop off in price. So at this point I said targets are hit. I'm done with my day, and I'm just gonna take it as a break-even day. So that's it. Day number 22 is done. I'll see you guys on day number 23.